In this video, I will show you how to use rank or position formula in Microsoft Excel. So you have to use this formula. I will show you equal sign, then type the rank, select the rank, double click. Now here type this obtain numbers, select it, then comma, again select obtain numbers and drag and drop like this all the students. Now enter the dollar sign before H and before number 3. Before H and before numbers. Then press enter. So this is the way guys you can create this formula to rank numbers. Thanks for watching.